launch, but I thought I'd come here and document it. You can have full hookups. Camping's available here. Pay for your pets. Got a little map before you can park. Seems like a pretty cool place. Got botanical gardens. So anyways, if you have an RV and you feel like stopping here, looks like a pretty place to me. All right, adventure seekers, stay tuned. Good afternoon, adventure seekers. Find ourselves Los Osos Bay. I don't even really know where I'm at, but I just followed the sign that said coastal access. And this pretty little spot. Hang out here, have a little picnic lunch apparently. No fees to be paid. Little parking lot area here. Picnic area up there under the trees. Little trail over here by the beach. Pretty picturesque. Even the seagull is anxious for a boat ride. Okay, stay tuned, adventure seekers. See what comes next.